Dude, you made me laugh. Nick! Bro! Bro, you made me laugh, bro. Shh. Hit it! Bro, I don't want to hear it. You're making me laugh, bro. What are you doing? Wait, what's the score? That was line. That was line. Bro, we've let the kitchen go, that line, bro. No. That was clearly line. When he served it. Ball back.
Ball back, and that was our serve.
All right, we'll bot the West then, because you already served. Remember when you served and you hit the wall? All right, bro. Your serve? All right, bro. All right, bro. That's okay. That's okay. Walk it off. Walk it off. 5-0-1 serving. Oh! Out. What's the score anyways? I don't even know the score. What's bro, what's the score? What? 13-2 serving. Two, three, 2 serving. That was out. Nick, that's all right.